Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm currently in Milano and I don't know what it's like where you live, but we here are under a lockdown. On the plus side, I have a more free time to do the things I always delayed because I had excuse. I didn't have time to do it, but now I really wanted to try to do a COPTIC stitch binding, which for those of you who don't know, it's this kind of binding. It's really cute. So if you wanna make your notebook or sketchbook look more prettier, please stick around and watch my tutorial. First thing you need to do is cut paperboard into 2 equal pieces of A5 format. If you don't know the exact measurements for A5 format, you should check the description box down below. For signature, you should use printing paper A4 format. Fold each piece of paper in half and then use a ruler or a bond folder if you have, first on one side of the folded edge and then repeat the same thing on the other. Each signature is made out of 4 pieces of folded sheets. Take your time and put them together evenly. On the top signature, where you have folded sheets, mark 2 cm points 6 cm from both ends. Use paperboard as your guide to mark with straight lines where the holes are going to be. On one side of the cover board where you want your stitch to be, leave 2 cm of space from the end and then mark with previously measured sheet where you want to pierce it. Use a large needle and carefully pierce it on the holes where you mark them. Start from one end, like this one. Go inside the signature. And then you want to go around the outside cover. Then you want to loop around once. And return back to the signature. When you're finished with your last hole of the first signature and after you did a loop, return the needle into the next signature. Please don't forget that you should always loop around the previous signature stitch. If you feel like your thread is getting too short, tie it off and begin with a new piece of thread. In a knot on the inside of the signature, tuck the end under the thread. Continue sewing as you usually would from the inside of the signature. Doing a final signature is a little bit different. Start by sewing the front cover first. Then loop the needle once and then go back into the signature. For the next holes, as doing it before, loop around previous signature stitch. When you reach the end of the sewing, tie off the thread with a knot. Tuck it underneath and cut off the thread.